Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to create and use Facebook avatars and how to comment avatars. Okay, so first of all, you have to click this three dash button in your Facebook, and then just scroll down and tap the see more option. Here is the see more option you will get, and you have to click it, and then just tap the avatars. After all, you have to click the next to get started. Then choose a screen tone that best fit yours, and then tap next. After that, now go through each section of hairs, colors, face shape, eye shape and color, makeup, eyebrows, nose shape, face hair, facial hair, then body shape, outfit, etc., and customize your avatar to your liking. There's even a section for face lines and complexion if you want to get down to the extreme details. If you need a reminder of what you actually look like, just tap on the mirror icon. Here is the mirror icon at the top right of the screen to open your phone's front facing camera. Then when you are done customizing your avatar and are happy with how it looks, tap the check mark on the top corner of the screen. Then once screen finishes loading, just tap next. Then tap done. And yeah, now that you have finished making your own avatar, you can tap on the arrow sign in the top right to share it to your Facebook feed or set it as a temporary profile page. To see the different avatar stickers, tap on the sticker icon. Here is the sticker icon, the smiling square below the arrow. Or if you would like to make any changes to your avatar, click the pencil icon. Here is the pencil icon. You have to click it. To use your avatar when making comments, simply tap on the face smile, the smiling face next to the GIF icon, and then tap on the avatar icon on the bottom of the screen. So here is the striker option. You have to click it and you will see the avatar options to comment it. If you want to show your emotions of love in avatar, then you can click it. If you want to give the love option, then you can click this avatar option. So that's it, and that's how you can use avatar in your comment section. If my video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it.